Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we're talking about something super important: healthy snacking. We all get those afternoon cravings or late night hunger pangs, and it's so easy to reach for a bag of chips or a candy bar. But what if I told you that you could satisfy those cravings with delicious and nutritious options that will not only fuel your body, but also help you feel amazing? That's right, we're diving into 8 healthy snacks that outshine junk food every time. These snacks are packed with flavor, easy to make, and will revolutionize the way you snack. Get ready to ditch the guilt and embrace a world of tasty and wholesome goodness. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with Greek yogurt, a true superstar in the world of healthy snacks. This creamy delight is not only versatile, but also incredibly nutritious. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. It's an excellent choice for those looking to maintain or build muscle. But that's not all. It's also a fantastic source of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut. Probiotics can improve digestion and boost your immune system, and we all know that a happy gut means a happy body. A balanced gut flora can enhance your overall well-being and mood. Now, let's talk about flavor. Greek yogurt comes in various flavors, but plain Greek yogurt is a blank canvas for your creativity. Plain Greek yogurt can be a bit tangy on its own, so we're going to sweeten things up naturally with a drizzle of honey. Honey not only adds sweetness, but also brings a host of health benefits. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness and is loaded with antioxidants. These antioxidants can help protect your body from cell damage. And for an extra boost of nutrients and flavor, let's top our parfait with a handful of fresh berries. Berries are a powerhouse of nutrition. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are low in sugar and bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They add a delightful burst of color and taste. This Greek yogurt parfait is a perfect example of a snack that's both delicious and good for you. It's a treat that satisfies your taste buds and nourishes your body. It's quick and easy to assemble, making it ideal for busy mornings or as a healthy afternoon pick-me-up. Enjoy this nutritious snack anytime you need a boost. Next up, we have a classic combination that's as satisfying as it is nutritious: carrot sticks and hummus. This duo is not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits that make it a go-to snack for many. Carrots are incredibly versatile and low in calories, making them a great choice for snacking. Whether you enjoy them raw, roasted, or even in a salad, they always add a delightful crunch. They're also an excellent source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. This makes them a smart choice for maintaining a healthy diet. And let's not forget about beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives carrots their vibrant orange color and is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for good vision, immune function, and skin health. Now let's talk about hummus, the perfect creamy complement to our crunchy carrot sticks. This Middle Eastern spread has gained popularity worldwide for its rich flavor and nutritional benefits. Hummus is made from chickpeas, which are a good source of protein and fiber, as well as iron and other essential nutrients. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. The addition of tahini, a paste made from sesame seeds, adds a dose of healthy fats and a rich, nutty flavor. These healthy fats are important for brain function and heart health. Hummus is incredibly versatile and can be found in a variety of flavors, from classic to roasted red pepper to spicy harissa. This variety ensures there's a hummus flavor to suit every palate. This simple snack is a great option when you're craving something savory and crunchy. It's satisfying and keeps you full longer, making it an excellent choice for curbing hunger between meals. It's perfect for packing in your lunch bag or enjoying as an afternoon snack. Whether you're at work, school, or on the go, this snack is convenient and nutritious. Let's move on to another classic pairing that's both satisfying and delicious: apple slices with almond butter. Apples are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're also a good source of antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. And let's not forget about their satisfying crunch, which can help curb those cravings for chips and crackers. Now, let's talk about almond butter, a delicious and nutritious spread made from ground almonds. Almond butter is a good source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making it a more filling and satisfying alternative to traditional peanut butter. It's also a good source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that plays a role in immune health and skin health. The combination of sweet and crunchy apple slices with creamy and nutty almond butter is simply irresistible. This snack is a great option when you're looking for something quick and easy to assemble, and it's perfect for satisfying those afternoon cravings. Now, let's talk about a snack that satisfies both your taste buds and your health. Dark chocolate and nuts. Dark chocolate, unlike its milk chocolate counterpart, is rich in antioxidants, which, as we've learned, help protect your cells from damage. But that's not all. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, plant compounds that have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. When choosing dark chocolate, opt for a variety with at least 70% cacao for maximum health benefits. Now let's talk about nuts, the perfect crunchy complement to our rich and decadent dark chocolate. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, and cashews are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, magnesium, and potassium. The combination of bittersweet dark chocolate and crunchy, savory nuts creates a symphony of flavors and textures that's simply irresistible. This snack is a great option when you're craving something sweet and indulgent, but still want to nourish your body. Let's move on to a snack that's as convenient as it is nutritious: hard-boiled eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. They're also packed with essential nutrients including choline, which is important for brain health, and lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health. And let's not forget about their versatility. Hard-boiled eggs can be enjoyed on their own, added to salads, or used as a protein boost in sandwiches and wraps. One of the best things about hard-boiled eggs is their portability. They're incredibly easy to make ahead of time and can be stored in the refrigerator for a quick and easy snack or meal prep ingredient. Simply boil a batch of eggs at the beginning of the week, and you'll have a protein-packed snack ready to go whenever hunger strikes. Whether you're heading to work, school, or the gym, hard-boiled eggs are a great option for a quick and nutritious bite. Let's talk about a snack that's perfect for movie nights, gatherings with friends, or even just a cozy evening at home. It's a snack that satisfies those crunchy cravings. Air-popped popcorn. Popcorn is a whole grain, which means it contains all three parts of the grain kernel: the bran, germ, and endosperm, making it a nutritious choice. Whole grains are an important part of a healthy diet, as they're a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They help in maintaining digestive health and provide essential nutrients. Air-popping popcorn is a healthier alternative to microwave popcorn, which often contains added butter, salt, and artificial flavors. These additives can increase calorie and sodium intake. When you air-pop your popcorn, you control the ingredients, so you can keep it light and healthy. You can avoid unnecessary additives and enjoy a pure, wholesome snack. Simply add a tablespoon or two of kernels to an air popper and let them pop until they're light and fluffy. It's quick, easy, and fun to watch. Once the popcorn is popped, you can customize it to your liking with a variety of healthy toppings, such as olive oil, nutritional yeast, or a sprinkle of sea salt. You can even get creative with spices and herbs. Air-popped popcorn is a great option when you're craving something savory and crunchy. It's satisfying and guilt-free. It's a much healthier alternative to chips and other processed snacks, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to snack healthier. Let's move on to a snack that's both refreshing and nutritious: frozen grapes. Grapes are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and freezing them enhances their sweetness and creates a satisfyingly icy texture. Frozen grapes are a great alternative to sugary popsicles and ice cream, as they're naturally sweet and refreshing. They're also a good source of hydration, which is especially important during the hot summer months. Simply wash and dry a bunch of grapes, remove them from the stems, and spread them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Place the baking sheet in the freezer for a few hours, or until the grapes are frozen solid. Once the grapes are frozen, you can transfer them to a freezer-safe bag or container for easy storage. Frozen grapes are a great option when you're craving something sweet and refreshing, and they're a much healthier alternative to sugary treats. Finally, let's talk about a snack that's as trendy as it is delicious: avocado toast. Avocado toast has become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and various vitamins and minerals. They're a good source of monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. To make avocado toast, simply toast a slice of whole grain bread and top it with mashed avocado. You can customize your avocado toast with a variety of toppings, such as a sprinkle of sea salt and black pepper, a drizzle of hot sauce, or a fried egg for added protein. Avocado toast is a great option when you're looking for a quick and easy snack or light meal. It's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a satisfying afternoon snack. There you have it, 8 healthy snacks that outshine junk food every time. I hope this video has inspired you to make healthier choices when it comes to snacking. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be boring or restrictive. By choosing nutrient-rich foods that are both delicious and satisfying, you can fuel your body and support your overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel and check out this next video for more healthy eating tips and recipes. See you in the next video.